Hello everyone, let's unbox my amazing Nano Waterfall Sink together. So the first thing in the box is this amazing wooden chopping block or chopping board, followed by the basin container. This has something you can use to prevent water from flowing out. And here we have the filter faucet. This is for filtered water, but we bought a different accessory to replace this. Next, we have this compartment for collecting water from your knives. And then we have the filter basket. This is an amazing addition too. Followed by the drainage pipes, which you can see. This connects to different parts of the sink. And then we have the cup washer and its own accessories. Yes, you use this to wash cups. Don't worry, I'll show you how it works. Then we have the hose that goes into the faucet. We have this hose for hot and cold water, and we have this part that has the piano keys for the faucet and for the waterfall function. This is a liner that prevents scratches. We have this faucet head. We have this weight that pulls the hose back in, and the faucet itself. And now it's time for me to show you guys what the sink looks like. One thing that I will say I was really happy with is the color. I actually selected black and also selected a honeycomb design, so I was really excited when I got that. So here I'm just familiarizing myself with the holes because we are going to fix this sink ourselves. The videos I've watched are not gonna be in vain, okay? And well, it was actually 2 a.m. when my husband and I finished connecting these things, you can see, and it was just ready for the sink to work. As you can see, we did this work by 2 a.m. So this is what the sink looks like when fixed. As you guys can see, everything is in place. It's so beautiful. So now I will be unwrapping my chopping board or chopping block just to see and feel the texture one on one. Of course, I was just waiting for this moment. And this is a nice wood. Yes. So here we have the basin. You can put this in if you don't want water to go out, and this can help with your vegetables, of course. So of course, I'm going to be showing you guys how the faucet works. You can see it has 3 different functions, and you can also pull it down to be lower. And here is the waterfall function. Okay, this part shows how long your water has been on and shows the temperature. Here we have the drainage system, which works when you turn that button. Like once you turn the button, water drains. So you can choose to clog the sink or make water flow out freely. As you can see here, we have the cup washing function. It helps you wash cups your hand can't get into. And then we decided to switch this accessory for this dispenser accessory, and as you can see, it dispenses my homemade liquid soap. We actually bought the liquid soap accessory differently, and here I'm just showing you guys how to remove the one that holds the sponge so that you can use the knife holder. Yes, so here we have the filter screen. This is what helps you collect dirt and food particles so that it doesn't clog your drain. So I was really impressed with the fact that you can actually attach this and hang it to your wall, which I'll be showing you guys how I do, by the way. So after attaching the other parts to the back, you attach this part to the area in which you want to hang it, and that is all. So this is just how the filter screen works. You put it round, but make sure it doesn't stay on the silicone so that it can work. Okay, and this is what the sink looks like. If I tell you I'm not impressed, I would be lying. I actually wanted to buy a double sink initially, but man, this is a better option. This is a better option, and I am really happy and excited to have gotten this. This is an amazing buy.